sure I've never spoken about this one thing, and it's the Egglettes. But before we jump into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, and while you're at it, turn your notification bells on and get active in the comment. One thing you must know about me, I love boiled eggs, and sometimes when you boil egg, I know, yeah, they say pop them in cold water and the shell comes off real easy. Sometimes they do, and I don't know why. Sometimes they just don't come off any easier when you put them in cold waters. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee, and this is the Optimistic Network. So today's video is going to be a review. If you don't know what that is, there's a section on my channel that I review things, which is basically I tell you about things, and then after I use them, I come back and I tell you, especially if they did not perform up to standard. If I really love them, if they were really good, I'll come back and review them. But today I'm gonna talk about these Egglettes. I've never talked about them, so I'm gonna call this a review because I've never said anything about these Egglettes at all. They came in this container just like this, and it's 4 in a pack. So what you do, you crack your eggs and put them in the Egglettes, then you boil them in the Egglettes, and then you just pop them out according to the instructions. The thing is, I've never heard about this before I saw them in the dollar store. So I saw them at the Dollar Tree and I just grabbed them and said, let me try this, because I eat a lot of boiled eggs. I love boiled eggs. That's how I get my protein. I don't eat a lot of meat, I eat a lot of eggs. But before I show you these Egglettes and tell you my thoughts on them, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, and while you're at it, turn your notification bells on so you know whenever I post a video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and get active in the comment. Let's jump in the review. Okay, so it's like this. It came like that, and you just open them up like that, and I'm just gonna throw off the stuffs that came on it. So now we revealed 4 Egglettes, and this is what they look like. So what you do basically is you unscrew this part, break your eggs, put in here, screw it up, put it in a pot of boiling water and boil your eggs, and when you're done, you take them out. For me, I'm gonna tell you right from the start, this is a fail for me. I know I understand why I found it at the Dollar Tree, because nobody want to pay any money for this. I'm pretty sure when they came out, there wasn't at the Dollar Tree. I think this was a fail. Consumer didn't want it, and they're trying to sell them out as cheap as possible, so they sold them to the Dollar Tree. And don't get me wrong, nothing is wrong with the Dollar Tree. I've shopped at the Dollar Tree over and over. As a matter of fact, I have a video about things that I buy at the Dollar Tree. I'll link that. But anyways, I tried this once and I have no interest in trying this again. First of all, you crack the egg and you put in here. So if you want to make 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 boiled eggs, you have to crack them open and put them in this. I feel like if you drop your boiled eggs in an ice bath, by the time you shell them off, it will take the same time as you took to crack all the eggs to put in here to boil. That's my first thing. The second thing is, when I boil my eggs, I want my eggs nice and eggly shape. They shape like egg. This did not shape like egg. The bottom did shape like eggs because the bottom of this looked like eggs, but this didn't shape like egg. The top didn't shape like egg. The top was basically just square. So I feel like whoever invented this should have just give this a egg shape, the top, so your egg would come out looking like eggs. The third thing for me is the instruction here say to use with oil or cooking spray. Use with oil or cooking spray, the instructions say. So basically you're boiling your eggs with oil. I do not want my egg boiled with oil, and trust me, when you spray the oil in this and then pop your eggs in it, after this is boiled, you can taste the oil in your egg. I don't want oil in my eggs. I'm sorry. The next thing about this is my egg did not come out whole, and I like whole egg. I don't want my egg come out broken up, and that's what happened with this. The egg was stuck to the outside of the silicone, because this is silicone, and the eggs were stuck to the outside of it. Actually, it was so hard to wash, I couldn't even get them washed even though I soaked them in water. So your eggs come out broken and piece by piece. I don't like that. But above all, I think the worst thing for me was the taste of the egg. My egg came out tasting like the silicone. I don't know, kind of rubbery, like It just had this taste that egg's not supposed to have. It did not taste like boiled egg. So then I understood why this was in the dollar store and why it was only going for $1. This was a fail. Every day people are inventing things. So if there's some that you want to invent, go right ahead and invent whatever you want. But think about consumer and think about how feasible the thing that you're gonna invent is going to be. I don't know if there's people out there using this and loving it. If you're using this and loving it, leave a comment below. But I hate this and I would not recommend this to anyone at all. So if you see this even in the dollar store, just keep walking. Use your dollar and probably buy a water or something. Just keep walking. This is not worth the dollar. I guess you can poach egg in it. You can do egg all kind of ways. This came with a booklet where they had different recipes where they put cheese on top of the eggs. Whatever they do, if my egg is gonna come out broken and crushed and choppy, I do not want it. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys about this thing. A waste $1. It's a waste $1. It's $1 for the 4 of them in the pack, but it's a waste $1, and even $1 is money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah.